What if the hit-and-run driver is found after a rental car accident? Have you ever wondered what happens if the driver who caused a hit-and-run accident is later found? This situation can be quite significant, especially if you were driving a rental car at the time. Let's break down what you need to know about rental car coverage after a hit-and-run and how auto insurance collision coverage plays a role. If the hit-and-run driver is identified, their liability insurance should cover the damages to the rental car. This means that the insurance company of the at-fault driver will be responsible for paying for repairs to the rental vehicle. They may also reimburse you for the cost of a rental car while your vehicle is being repaired or replaced. To initiate this process, you will need to contact the insurance company of the driver who caused the accident. When you file a claim, you will provide details about the incident and the damages incurred. If the insurance company accepts liability, they should cover the collision damages to the rental car and any rental reimbursement costs that you might have incurred during the repair period. It is important to note that rental reimbursement coverage is designed to pay for a rental car if your vehicle is damaged in a covered accident and cannot be driven. However, if the hit-and-run driver is found, their insurance typically takes over these costs. If you have your own auto insurance policy that includes collision coverage or rental reimbursement coverage, you may initially pay for the rental or repairs. However, you can seek reimbursement from the at-fault driver's insurance once they are identified. Keep in mind that the at-fault party's insurance may limit the number of rental days or the daily rental rate they will cover. Therefore, it is wise to keep all receipts and documentation related to your rental expenses. In some cases, if you purchased additional coverage like a collision damage waiver from the rental company, this may protect you from out-of-pocket repair costs. However, it usually does not cover situations involving reckless driving or violations of the rental agreement. Once the hit-and-run driver is found, it is advisable to notify both your insurance company and the at-fault driver's insurer promptly. This helps coordinate claims and ensures you receive compensation for damages and rental costs. The rental company may also seek compensation from the at-fault driver for loss of use or administrative fees if their vehicle was out of service due to the accident. In summary, when the hit-and-run driver is identified, their insurance should cover the rental car damages and rental reimbursement costs. This can relieve you from financial responsibility for the accident-related expenses involving the rental vehicle. Keeping clear communication with all parties and maintaining detailed records of all expenses and correspondence is essential.